Hello, word. Welcome, everyone. I'm Alex, your friendly host, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another exciting journey into the world of English vocabulary. Today's word is close. It's a B1 level adverb, and it means near in space or time. So, what exactly does close mean? Well, in simple terms, it indicates proximity. Think of it as not far away. You can use it to describe physical nearness, like the bank is close to the post office, or temporal nearness, like the holidays are getting close. Now, let's explore some synonyms for close. One useful synonym is nearby. For example, instead of saying the store is close, you could say the store is nearby. Here's another example. There's a park nearby where we can have a picnic. Another synonym is nigh. While nigh is a bit more old-fashioned, you might encounter it in literature or older songs. You could say, the end of the semester is nigh, which means the end of the semester is very close. A more common synonym is approaching. For example, her birthday is approaching quickly means her birthday is getting close. Or, the deadline for the project is approaching. Another useful synonym is adjacent. This is particularly useful when talking about physical closeness. Our offices are adjacent to each other, means they are right next to each other, very close indeed. Now let's switch gears and talk about antonyms, words with opposite meanings. One antonym for close is far. Instead of saying the station is close, you could say the station is far. Another example is Australia is far from Europe. Another antonym is distant. The planets are distant from each other highlights a great separation, the opposite of being close. You could also say, her hometown is distant, implying it's not easily accessible. Another antonym is remote. The cabin is in a remote location suggests it's very isolated and not close to anything. Or, a remote island. The word afar is another antonym, though it's a bit more literary. Think of the phrase, he came from afar, meaning he traveled from a long distance, the opposite of being close. So, how can you use close in everyday life? Well, you might say, keep the door closed, meaning don't let it be open. Or, stay close to me, indicating you want someone to remain nearby. You might hear the expression, we're close friends, meaning you have a strong, intimate bond with someone. The final exam is close at hand, means it's imminent. You could say, pay close attention, indicating you want someone to concentrate carefully. Here are some more usage examples. The restaurant is close to the beach. The meeting is close to 2 p.m. He keeps his friends close. The detective is close to solving the case. The plane landed close to the runway. She held the child close. He stood close to the fire. The event is getting close. Keep your enemies closer. Don't get too close to the edge. To recap, close means near in space or time. We explored synonyms like nearby, nigh, approaching, and adjacent, and antonyms like far, distant, remote, and afar. We also looked at how close is used in everyday conversation and phrases. Thanks for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this episode helpful and that you feel more confident using the word close. Now, before you go, please subscribe to our podcast and leave us a review. Your support helps others discover our show and learn English with us. Also, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word close and share it as a comment under the video. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.